Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, we're going to look at a somewhat hidden feature of the iOS camera application, which is the ability to scan and read QR codes. If you've been following the iOS App Store for a while, you've probably seen QR code apps appearing occasionally at the top of lists before. But since iOS 11, your iOS camera app has had the ability to do the job for you. Here's how it works. The ability to read the QR code is available in the default camera mode inside the camera application. You don't have to open up a specific mode in order to scan a QR code, but I first discovered it because it was part of the 3D touch menu on the camera application itself. If you 3D touch on the camera application, you'll get several options which allow you to go straight to specific modes inside of the camera app. You can take a selfie, you can record a video, you can take a portrait, and there's also this scan QR code. When you tap on this, the camera opens straight to the normal photo mode. And from here, all you have to do is point the camera at the QR code that you want to scan. I've got a couple of them printed out here. This first one is one that I created using a QR code generator online. And this goes straight to the bookworm.fm website. When the camera app recognizes the QR code, we get these yellow brackets around the corners, and a notification appears at the top of the screen telling us what action is going to be taken based on the contents of this QR code. From here, all we have to do is tap this notification, and the link in this case is going to open the bookworm.fm website in Safari. Web links like this are the most basic use case for QR codes because a QR code is essentially a link in a picture format. A QR code is a two-dimensional barcode, and a QR code reader is able to decipher and parse the URL depicted in the image. Advertisers may use QR codes to point people to a website that they want them to see, or book authors may use QR codes to provide additional material that doesn't fit into the standard printed format. So for example, I have a book here, The 4 Disciplines of Execution, which has these QR codes which link to videos that support the ideas that the authors are trying to communicate in the book itself. So this QR code opens up the website 4dxbook.com, and this is actually a landing page where I have to fill in my information first, so I'll do that real quickly. And then it takes me to a couple videos, which are actually case studies that go along with what the author is saying in that particular chapter.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.